We're gonna start with this mess. Last night I was gonna do laundry up and put out the laundry, but never bother. And I'm gonna wash my sheets. So I'm gonna wash everything. Let's do this. Alright guys, so change of plans. I'm just gonna pack up everything in their respective basket and go to a laundromat and put everything in a wash and then come home, do the shades, go back, put everything to dry. And while it's drying, I need to go return some stuff at the mall. I'm gonna try bed first. No, I'm not bed. Let's start that. Okay, here we go. Did you mind if I still get you? Oh yeah, and then the sheet of everything gets washed same time. Yeah man, that makes sense. What does a month alone me do? I'll be cost more. It's fine. And then we can do the towel them. Yeah man. Instead of I wait too much in hours to finish laundry today. Alright, so that's that in there. I'm gonna get my next towel then.
Hey now, slow it down. Feel the beat, feel the sound. No rush, just stay around. Let it roll, let it drown. Breathe it in, breathe it out. No need to scream or shout. Just the sky, just the ground. We're okay, look around. Breathe it in, breathe it out. No need to scream or shout. Just the sky, just the ground. We're okay, look around. Sun is warm, wind is kind. Leave your worries far behind. Time is soft, like a friend. Loop it once, then again. Breathe it in, breathe it out. No need to scream or shout. Just the sky, just the ground. We're okay, look around. Breathe it in, breathe it out. No need to scream or shout. Just the sky, just the ground. We're okay, look around. Clap with me, tap your feet. Life is good, feel the heat. One more time, on repeat. Simple days, simple beat. Breathe it in, breathe it in, breathe it in.
Alright. All packed up. You go pack up the baby stuff. And then start moving the things to the down the stairs. Just an independent lady. For my independent ladies. Na 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 na. I'm so glad I was recording. The girl said Elijah bought her mother clothes.
Yeah, I'm used to do that thinking I'm mad about that close to my. I, 'cause, I, 'cause, I, 'cause, 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 And she that cuss me. Yeah, man, I'm cool, so. So we have man for.
But you have man for?
We should have we.
She
But
done
I'm
you,
going
boo.
to have we. I'm supposed to do that. And feel like.
She done you. Hey, one thing with Jamaican parents, if I got done you know, people can't shame me.
And the guy, you don't know what to say, but boy, Jamaicans were a different kettle of fish. Yeah.
Don't call people them fishman and done you again.
But, no, anyway.
Now we gotta go get laundry detergent because this thing says no pods and I have pods. But there's a dollar store right down the street, so I'm gonna start probably one load. And two. And this thing probably two. Okay, so let me teach y'all something. I think I'm doing this wrong right now because I'm not home. But usually, you put these together, then you fold them together, right? Then you put your pillowcases in, and you fold that baby. See? Can y'all see me good? Yeah, you fold it. Usually I have my bag that I put at this sheet came in, and then I fold it into 3. This is the 4 right? Can't feel saying the 4 right, but yeah. But anyways, I get the trick. It fold up nice. You just leave it like that.